In this video, we are going to import LVGL to our project. I will start from our last project. If you have not watched that, you can watch that, how to interface and configure SPI LCD. So this is our last project. So right now, we are going to import LVGL to this project. Okay, go to lvgl.io. Select version 9.2. Go to porting. Download from GitHub. Make sure to select version 9.2 here. Download the zip. The folder you downloaded from the zip, you have to rename it to LVGL. Rename it to LVGL. All right. Then go to your project driver. Go to view your project from File Explorer. Go to your project driver. This is my project. Go to the driver and create another folder. After creating this folder, rename it to LVGL and copy the downloaded folder the folder you downloaded from GitHub. Copy it into this one. Don't make mistake. You will copy the one you downloaded from GitHub, copy it into this one. All right, so you have it like this. So inside the one you downloaded from GitHub, you will see this file here, lv config template. Copy it into the newly created folder. Copy it here, paste it here. So when you open it, you have the one you downloaded from GitHub and this file here. Don't make mistake. This file will be next to the folder you downloaded from GitHub, the LVGL. Look at it. This is how it should look. All right. Go to your config.h and change this to 1. Go to build, GCC compiler, include parts, and include the LVGL folder you newly created, not the subfolder. Not the subfolder. Go to your driver, include this one, not the subfolder. Include this one that contains the subfolder, and click apply and close. All right, everything is okay now. Go to example here, go to porting, then display template here. Copy the C file to the source folder here. All right, then as well copy the H file to the include folder. Copy it to the include folder, then rename them and remove the template. Just remove the template. All right, do the same here. Okay, go to the two files and set this to 1 to enable the files. After that, include the header file as well. Then copy this, redefine it here in the H file of the display template. I'm using 320x480 resolution of LCD. So you can define this according to your LCD resolution. So we no longer need that there. So we include the header file of LCD here in the LVGL display template, and the LCD init as well. We will initialize the LCD inside the LVGL uh, file, display file. All right. So I go to this this is our LCD driver to uncomment this and get the flush function. This function here, we are going to use it inside the LVGL flush function to flush to the LCD. All right. Here I define this as one. One is to use DMA, Y0 is blocking mode. So I'm using DMA. Here I will initialize the LVGL by calling LVGL init. Also the LVGL display init. And I will call the LVGL timer here, the timer handler. Here we have these examples here. If you are using blocking mode, you can use the example one. But if you are using DMA, like I'm using, you can use the example two. So I'm using the example two, which is the double buffer. All right, error cleared. So set this the LVGL timer tick get tick for the LVGL refresh. So I'll go to my LCD driver to call this function. This function we call the SPI complete callback, the transfer complete callback. Because I'm using DMA, the SPI have to finish transferring before calling the flush ready for another function, another transfer to take place. So I have to point another variable to, since I have removed this function inside the flush function, I have to create another pointer to point to this variable here. All right, I will call this pointer my display. Initially it will point to no. I will now point it to the display variable. All right, with this we are done with the LVGL. Let's test it and see. Make sure you include this for the animation. Go to example animation. You can use animation 1 to 3 here. Either you use any one of them for testing. So after that we rebuild and flash to the board. Okay, let's run it now. All right, so everything is working as expected. So in our next video we are going to uh configure the input device, which is our touchpad. Right now it won't work because we have not configured it yet. So see you in our next video. We are going to use SPI Line Studio and also configure our input device. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.